Think about the flow from yesterday and layer it on. Left hand, right hand, give. Good girl. Look up. Right leg, right rein. Give in the left hand. Give in the right hand. Right leg press now. Good girl. Okay, left hand give, right leg press. Good. Left hand give. Hold. Good. Open up. Right leg, right rein. Give left hand, right rein, right leg. Left shoulder down. Press. Good girl. 1, 2. Ho, ho, ho. Good. Hands soft. Don't press with the left knee. Press now. Good. Circle out and praise. Okay, so the only thing that tripped you up was A, the crown and back. Give both reins now. Good. Good. Don't go too deep. Sit up. Put more space between your chest and your hands. Give. Good girl. Okay, there you got just a little bit behind the nose. And give. Now bring it back immediately. Get your butt out of the saddle. Give now. Beautiful. Come on through. Give left hand. Soften the chin.